This is the SEAFLO 21 Series 35 PSI 1.2 gallon per minute water pressure pump. And today we're going to install it and demonstrate it. The 21 Series is a small pump and it fits in the palm of your hand, yet it's great for a single fixture. Here's the pump installed in a very tight location. That's what's great about this pump. It doesn't take up any room at all. Here we have the install of the 21 Series galley fixture. This is going to let us rinse dishes with raw water and not use fresh water. That's valuable. So if I turn on the pump, that's the 21 Series running. Not bad flow at all. But let's check out the galley pump. This is the freshwater pump, that's the Jabsco. They're not much different. It's supposed to be 3 gallons. So we go down here and look at the Jabsco. Making all sorts of noise. The SEAFLO 21 Series is 1.2 gallons per minute.